Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to give you an overview of the data segment. From the diary screen, click on a navigation wheel. The navigation wheel will open. The data segment allows you to manage and access data and patient information and capture multiple transactions without making a booking on a diary first. Click on a data segment. The data screen will open. This is the default setup of the segment, and navigation bar items can be customized to the needs and preferences of the practice. For more information on a Debtors List and Debtor Sidebar, please refer to the Debtor List and Debtor Sidebar functionality user manual linked in this video's description. The Debtors List allows all the demographic information of the main members and dependents on the system. You will have access to the Debtor Sidebar, from which the patient's clinical history and account information can be accessed. Click on a Data Statement tab. The Data Statement screen will open. A document that gives the debtor a detailed overview of what they owe at the practice, which displays the details such as the amounts that each debtor has to pay, dates of when the services were rendered, what the patient was charged for, and detailed descriptions of each transaction. For more information on a data segment, please refer to the Data Statement Bulk User Manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Multi-Invoice tab. The Multi-Invoice screen will open. The Multi-Invoice screen is used to create batches that contain multiple invoices. These batches may have invoices for the same debtor, but for different days or for multiple debtors or both. This is mostly used by bureaus for faster billing. For more information on how the multi-invoice works, please refer to the Multi-Invoice user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Close button to return to the debtor screen. Click on the ERA Management tab. The ERA Batcher screen will open. An electronic remittance advice is a communication between the medical aid and the practice regarding the payment of batch of claims. ERAs are used as a reference for bulk payment run from the medical aid and allow importing of payments that have been made toward the debtor's account into the GoodX system. ERAs save time and eliminate errors when capturing payments made by the medical aid. For more information on how the ERA Management screen works, please refer to the ERA Management Screen Overview user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Debtor Validation tab. The Debtor Validation screen will open. Validation is used to authenticate the patient and main member demographic information at the medical aid. The information is checked against the information the medical aid has on the patient and main member. Supply information on details that are not the same as on their system. For more information on how to validate debtor's information, please refer to the Patient Validation, Debtor Data, New Debtor Import and Benefit Check user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Close button. An attention pop-up will appear. Click on the Cancel button to stay on a debtor's validation screen. Click on the OK button to return to the previous screen without any changes. Click on the Save button to save any changes made. Click on the Patient Identifier tab. The Patient Identifier screen will open. The Patient Identifier is an easy way to confirm the patient is who they say they are. The patient must have an existing debtor with a photo of them on their file in order for the system to detect their facial features. For more information on how the Patient Identifier works, please refer to the Patient Identifier user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Close button to return to the previous screen. Click on the CRM tab. The Bulk Email SMS screen will open. The Customer Relation Manager enables users to send to bulk and send bulk SMSs and emails to patients. For more information on how to send bulk SMSs and emails, please refer to the Send Bulk Reminder SMS user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Clinical Reports tab. The Clinical Report screen will open. The Clinical Reports screen allows the practitioner to access summaries of pathology results. For more information on how the clinical reports work, please refer to the Clinical Reports user manual linked in this video's description.